Scott's more hood rat than I am, bro. This guy just fucking does donuts everywhere. Like a fucking idiot. Oh my god. Fucking idiot. Is that your fuel? What are you eating? Fucking Slim Jim? But not even a real Slim Jim. Fucking 7-Eleven brand. Disgusting bastard he is. Alright, we're gonna make a movie for you guys, but first things first. Need this, need that, and need this sex piece of a Z. Just kidding, we're not doing anything with that. I wish I was. That shit's so sick. You know, I plan to initially have us sitting outside in lawn chairs and margaritas outside with a car behind us, somebody doing a burnout in it. It's not happening. Maybe, we'll see. We're just gonna start a T56 swap now. It's Sunday, 6 o'clock. We're fucking exhausted. The coffee? Yeah, we probably shouldn't have drank before this. This is the drunk T56 swap?
I'd say good buzz.
Good buzz? Whatever. I was pretty fucking hammered earlier. Two 8% IPAs. My ass is fucking sitting on the bench, laying down. Look at that Evo 10. The Graham lights look pretty good. But look at all these cars in the shop. It actually looks like a real shop. Real shop here. Real piece of work. All right, let's get moving. What up, you bastards? I'm just kidding, not you bastards. What up? This is Nico. This is Scotty. This is SR Entertainment. We're gonna swap this IS300 with a T56 Magnum. How does that make you feel? Like it needs to be cleaned?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty dirty. Yeah, first time the car's been on a lift since I've ever owned it. This is fucking official. I got some fucking friends, bro. He already knows what to do, doesn't have to think about where to go, just is like the next step. I'm sitting here like, all right, well, car's up, what next? Do we fucking take the wheels off or what? So you guys got some money, shit. Oh, it passes levels?
Yeah.
Oh.
It won't fall. Grab those red stands.
Like my fucking mounts? Oh my god. That's so awful. He says this is custom shit. Like, look at that one bolt is longer than the other three. It's bullshit. Jesus, look at his mount for the fucking trans cross member. That is so sick. God, that's legit. Trans cross member mount out of aluminum as well? Billet. Oh, fucking sex. These are the spacers?
Yeah, it's all aluminum.
These spacers are much better than these spacers right here. I mean, you fucking, I'm not lying. I know I'm not lying. Hardware kit. That's the trans crossmember mount that goes to it. Very nice. Pigtails for wiring, bell housing, the block, look at all that shit. All the hardware. The Tremec T56 Magnum. Close or wide ratio?
Wide.
Wide ratio. Why do we go wide?
The first 4 gear set is actually better than close.
First 4 gear set's better than close because of my differential gears, right? Which is what?
Your diff?
Yeah, what's the gears in the IS? 3.7, right?
Yeah, you have 3.7.
3.7. So
The first 4 gears in the wide are shorter than the close ratio.
which makes my gears longer than the RM54 that's in there right now. It's gonna like
The
first
wide
gear.
ratio, the first 5 gears is identical to having like a RM54.
Okay, but I have the close.
Your 6th gear is going to be extremely long.
Yeah, the 6 gears like 0.6 to 1. So I'll be going like 80 miles an hour at like 1800 RPM. Okay, not that low, but something like that.
But what I like to do is take the 5th and 6th gear from the close ratio trans and put it in the wide ratio trans.
Did you do that with any transitions or no?
Yeah, that's how mine is.
Oh, that's kind of sick.
Yeah.
But you have the super diff.
Yeah.
The 326, yeah. See? A lot of knowledge here, you guys. A lot of shit going on. Look at all these parts. QuickTime, Clutch Masters, fucking Tremec. My tits are hard. So sick. Here we go. T56 Magnum Swap time, baby.
You're crazy. Here, I swear to God. Let's do this. Pull the trans out of the box.
Oh, yeah, I'm down for that. Oh my God, this thing feels fucking solid. It's so good. Bro, like my dick has never been more solid. Sorry, Maddie. It's fucked up. Like when that happens when you open new parts. Look at this. Christ. Is the OS Geiken as nice?
Yeah.
That's sick.
I would say the
I haven't bought this many new parts for the car ever. Everything I pretty much bought on the car is all used.
Right.
Wheels, everything. Clutch disc, it's one of them.
Yep.
You got a friction plate in between?
This is steel.
Okay. And then there's another one of those, another clutch plate. Oh, that's the ceramic?
Yeah.
Okay. Sick. That looks like it's gonna hurt my leg when I'm pressing it in. It's good. So here is from our messages from before, and here is pretty much talking about what the wide to close ratio would be on my tire size and my differential in the rear. So you got the wide, that's what I have now on the left side. It'll go 59 in first at like a 72 or 7400 RPM rev limiter, red line, Christ. And then the close on the opposite. Fucking dude's dying. Red limit. We've been drinking all day. Like, what's the V160 comparison though? Yeah, the V160's got short ass gears. That's crazy. And the RM54 is like somewhere in the middle from the V160 and the wide. It's like in between that. That's why the RM54 is a nice setup for the 3.7 rears.
And what I recommend doing is running a wide ratio trans so you get the shorter first gears, and then taking the 5th and 6th gear from your close ratio and just moving it over.
That makes sense because otherwise you're going from what 177 to 239 on a
Yeah.
yeah.
And if this is something you want to do and move the gears over, and you buy a brand new trans, it's very inexpensive because Tremec will actually swap those parts out for me and not charge me. They won't charge you completely extra for the new gear set. They'll give you a credit on the gears they pull out because they'll reuse them on another.
That's kind of cool. You know what's crazy? Just looking at this, the 1-to-1 on the T56 is the same, obviously, but the 1-to-1 from the V160 to that, it's like a 40 mile an hour difference.
Gear sooner.
Yeah, it's insane.
So you can do your quarter mile a whole gear sooner.
Wait, it's 1-to-1s where? Not
5th. On the V160, it's 5th.
Oh, I thought it was.
It's 4th on the.
Oh, it's not.
T56.
Oh, yeah, because we have 2 overdrive gears. That's right. All right. This is the magic wand for the RM54s. Would you actually use this for every transmission pretty much? Something like this?
Yeah,
Pretty much. Okay, magic wand for trannies. You know what kind of trannies I'm talking about. That fast? Jesus Christ. Like, it took me fucking at least 10 minutes to locate. Oh, it's just the short one. Okay, last bolt's out. Remember guys, like Scott said, label and mark your stuff. All right, pulling the trans. There's some magic man over here pulled out the trans because we had to go about it a certain way. RM54's out. Flywheel, clutch disc are out. This is the ACT Extreme HDD, and this is the RM54. which has been used by 2 people actually, including me, so 1 other. And look at the shaft plate it does not have. It's fucking... Bro, that's incremental. That is exactly what you want when you're looking for an R54. You don't want shaft, like bro, that's absolutely nothing. It's literally nothing. Ceramic disc is actually pretty good. We're gonna measure the feeler gauge so I can get the next owner an idea of how much life he has left, which is plenty. This has barely been used. Before I bought it, it was 3,500 miles. I put about like 8,000 on it, only on wastegate. But I mean, I drive it moderately, so we're okay. And the flywheel, actually, so it looked really bad before, but it was because it had uneven burns, which are the blue marks. This is before I even hit it. Once I installed it on my car, now we have the even orange all around, which is actually shows like it's now been driven right, not super slipped or drifted. So looks good. It all looks good. Just beating on it. Hello. So what? Mostly swap magazines and whatever, you know, like the guides you're gonna get from these guys that sell you the T56s. They're gonna tell you need to massage the trans tunnel with 2 easy steps, and it takes about 5 minutes. And it takes about 10 seconds if you know what you're doing. Okay. All it is throwing that big weighted dildo hammer just to the left side, to the driver's side wall, and now we have total clearance. Love it. Fucking, this is fun, dude. Being in a shop is so sick. You guys are gonna get such a, like, so spoiled in all these videos, and then after like the 5th or 6th one, I'm gonna be back at my house playing Fortnite, and you're like, bro, what the fuck? What are you doing? I know. I need to shop. I need to be able to do this. We need to be able to do this. This shit is so sick. It's so much fun. Here, let me do the dirty work, you bitch.
When Nico says he wants to help, I let him sweep. Can't fuck that up.
Probably could fuck it up. Probably could for sure fuck it up. Shout out to Clutch Masters again, man. This clutch is so damn beautiful. The FX850 series. Such a badass clutch, and I'm ecstatic to be sponsored. How many discs do I have? I have 1 of these, 1 ceramic, and 1 what?
I don't know.
It's the Race Street, so it's a ceramic. I forgot what he said. It's the Race Street application. 1 ceramic and 1 something else. That right there. Whatever
Just don't mix that up.
whatever that is. Yeah, they're a certain way, right?
Yeah, it should be balanced.
All right.